Hey gang, listen, we're rolling up onto a ledge that I fished before, and I just want to share with you a couple things that I do on my Humminbird. This is the Humminbird Solix. So I have it split with navigation, side imaging, and my 2D sonar. You'll notice on my side imaging, I've taken contour mode off because I actually want to see where that crack and ledge goes right underneath the boat. The center line is the boat. So I'm just going to creep up here, kind of show you my program, how I go over the edge, make sure that I'm on the other upside tide of it, and then I'll put the trolling motor down, and basically we're going to be dropping baits right into the crack. So I'm going to go ahead and get my trolling motor ready. Just deploy it right here from the Solix. And I take the activation screen over to my trolling motor. That way I can tell that Altera to go right where I need it to be. So just at a first glance, I see really hard bottom and cracks and ledges here, as well as right here. There's already been some markings here on the bottom. That's probably some snapper, maybe some grouper. So basically what I'm doing is I'm just trying to set up on top of, or just up tide of the crack. And it's not, perfect science. You gotta get it pretty dialed in, understand what it is you're looking at. That way, when you do get to it, you can simply hit spot lock and you are on the mark. So we're circling around here. I see the crack showing up here now on my right side. Call that 65 feet or so. And I think you'll really see it here. I've made these two marks. Those are basically the crack line. Those kind of connect the dots, if you will. So I suspect, yeah, there's some more of it on my left over here, just the beginning of it. And I see we're coming back to 55 feet. We were just in 57. So I'm gonna circle back to that 57. And then spot lock us down. There you can see a pretty evident crack right there. Now you have to kind of know what it is you're looking for, but with lots of practice, you can really get this machine dialed in, and it makes all the difference in the world when you're trying to catch some of these reef fish. There's our crack. You can see it coming right to my white line. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm starting to drop at 56. I should be at 57 here in a second. And then basically what I'm going to do is there's 57. I'm going to just go hit spot lock. The trolling motor is going to turn us back to that exact spot where I put it in lock. I'm going to shut down the motor and we're ready to fish. All right, so we're just dropping live shrimp over on a 1/2 ounce jig head, and we are right on the crack. I can see fish starting to rise to the surface, just outside of those cracks. So we're gonna see if we can get bit real quick. Almost there. I got the current sweeping that shrimp with that jig head straight back to the ledge. And he's on. Like that. Feels a little like a snapper. Yes, sir. Mangrove snapper. Not a giant, but you can see kind of what happens. You get it on the right mark, you're gonna catch some fish.